So we've been messing with the wiring here, just kind of doing a layout of it, and just to make sure we're not going too far and we're on the right track. So I've got the starter solenoid down here. I've got my wiring going to the starter and the relay up there. The yellow wire is a jumper, so it's taking the power always off the output side of the starter relay, and that's what powers the starter when I turn the key. That would, if we had a neutral safety switch, that yellow line would be in line with the neutral safety switch. So anyways, we just got the kind of wiring just kind of running, and just to make sure that we're in a safe place here, haven't gone too far, and this is where we went up. Turn the key, and we got power. So that's a good thing.